Hi guys, today we will learn how to make soy sauce chow mein. There are many kinds of Asian noodles you can find in the grocery store. So you should be able to find this chow mein noodles. So this one is especially for the chow mein. This kind of chow mein is usually pre-cooked. You can also use other kinds of noodles. Just follow the instruction in the package. The noodles tend to stick together. Simply add some hot water for about 10 seconds to loosen it. After that, drain out the water and rinse in the noodle with cold water. It is to stop the cooking process so that the noodle will not be overcooked and make the chow mein too mushy. Then set aside the noodle and let it air dry for at least 15 minutes. Okay, let's start prepare the sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce is mainly to give the color to the dish. 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, which is to enhance the fragrance of the dish. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, which give a very nice and unique flavors to the dish. Find the brand I recommend to you in my description box below. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well and then set aside. Before we cook the noodle, we need to cook the other ingredients first. You can use all different kinds of ingredients you like. Firstly, stir fry the vegetables. I'm cooking the onion, so just stir fry the onion until it is cooked, which is about 1 to 2 minutes. Then set aside. You can also add eggs or meat, same as vegetables. Just stir fry until they're cooked and then set aside. Awesome, now we're gonna cook the noodles. Add a little bit more oil to your wok. Then add the noodle. Keep it as medium to high heat and then spread the noodles around the wok. You don't have to do anything first because firstly we would like to make the noodles crispy. That's why at the beginning we need to air dry the noodles for 15 minutes so that we can cook the noodle and make it crispy. It's hard to make it crispy if it's too watery or too mushy. So cook until some of the noodles get crispy. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the rest of the ingredients. Then combine well quickly. You can turn to medium heat so that it won't get burnt that easily. Then now we can add the sauce. Remember to stir the sauce before you add into the noodle. And we add the sauce to the noodles by 2 times to make sure all the noodles are coated with the sauce evenly. Combine well the noodle with the sauce. Then it's ready to serve. So the most important part of the dish is the sauce and also pick the right noodle. For other ingredients, it's pretty much your own preference. Enjoy!